Hello, and thank you for tuning in to our latest course. This time, we've teamed up with developer and pro affiliate marketer Hemlata Singh to show you how to build a complete Amazon affiliate e-commerce store from scratch. By taking this course, not only will you be able to build a complete e-commerce site, but you'll also learn how to populate it with thousands of top-rated Amazon products. You'll earn a generous commission on each sale through the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. If you're new to the world of affiliate marketing, then you're definitely in the right place. The reason this course focuses on the Amazon Affiliate Program is quite simple. It's arguably the best one out there. Amazon offers the greatest selection of products and some of the best commission rates for affiliates. It's also open to just about anyone in the world, regardless of your physical location. Another great feature of this business model is that it's infinitely scalable. You can start by selling just a few products a week and easily scale to selling thousands. Once your store is set up, it requires nearly no maintenance. If you're interested in building passive income streams, this is about as close as you'll get. The course starts with an introduction into the benefits of joining the Amazon Affiliate Network. From there, you'll learn to build a fully customized online store using WordPress, WooCommerce, Elementor, and the WooZone plugin. Each of these powerful utilities offer you the ability to build a fully customized e-commerce store with thousands of products without ever writing a single line of code. Your online store will also be fully secure with SSL encryption. We'll show you how to install popular themes and edit them on the fly, including free custom logos, professional branding, and favicons. The store developed in this course will be second to none in terms of functionality. You'll have a fully integrated search feature, categorized product menu, and just about every other feature you can find on even the most advanced e-commerce sites. The course also includes a bonus section with a comprehensive overview on generating sales using proven digital marketing techniques. Let's go through a quick overview of exactly what you'll learn in this course. Section 1 includes an introduction to the course with an overview on the benefits of the Amazon Affiliate Program. Section 2 covers a number of important tips on registering a domain name and setting up your hosting account. We use services that make the development process as quick and simple as possible. In Section 3, students learn to install and configure WordPress on the hosting service of their choice. We also go through a comprehensive overview of the WordPress interface and detailed analysis of the advantages of using WordPress. Students learn to secure their WordPress installation with a free SSL certificate before installing all the required themes and plugins. Section 4 covers the entire process of building out the online affiliate store. We start with setting up an Amazon affiliate account and importing products using the WooZone plugin. From there, we build a fully customized shop with menus, headers, branding, and sidebars. We also customize the product pages for increased conversion and user-friendly navigation. The shop will also consist of a blog, about page, and contact us form to process support requests. In the last section, we offer several great strategies on driving traffic to your Amazon affiliate store and generating sales. As you can see, we haven't skipped a single beat in the production of this curriculum. If you're excited about building e-commerce platforms, affiliate marketing, and generating a passive income source, enroll today and get started.